Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can hide your phone number on your Telegram application. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open the Telegram application and then you're going to select this button. So you can tap on this button guys on the top left corner of your screen. And then you can choose settings option, tap on it. And then on the settings option, you can select privacy and security setting right here. And then click on the phone number right here, and then you can see your phone number right here. You can choose either everybody, your contacts, or nobody. And since we want to hide our phone number from everyone, we can click on nobody right here, so nobody can see our phone number on Telegram. And after you're done, you just need to click on this check mark button, and then now we can hide our phone number on Telegram. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide our phone number on Telegram application. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next tutorial.